Hey friends, this is a welcome video for English 272, World Literature 2. When you open up your Blackboard, you're going to go over here to the 272 quick link to your module. You will notice that it opens up to give all of the course links and objectives. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Start Here button. I'm going to go through some course expectations. I will also do these in class when we meet on the first day. So this will just be an overview of what we go over. If you have any questions, you can ask them then, or you can email them to me. The first thing you're going to want to do is to print off your class syllabus. I will give you the course schedule and assignment checklist in class, so you do not need to print those two. But if you want to get credit for the selfie assignment, you will need to print out the syllabus so that you can make your picture. You can find that down here at the bottom where it says syllabus. That's also in the syllabus and instructor info tab on the side as well. You'll need to read over the syllabus. We will not be going over that in class, so please make sure you do that on your own. You will find that my email address and my office number are listed there. You can call or email me anytime and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If it's Monday through Friday, please expect a 24-hour response time. If it's on the weekend, please note that I will likely not get back in touch with you until Monday. Again, you can call or email me anytime, but please be respectful of the difference between work time and personal time, and I am not on call 24 hours a day. The next thing you'll notice is that you have discussions. You have online discussions. There's one due every week, and these coincide with the readings that we will be doing in class. You need to, after doing this, you need to go ahead and submit discussion 1. That's due by Friday. Those students who do not submit discussion 1 will be dropped from the class, and I will not reinstate you. So very important for you to go ahead and get discussion 1 completed. With each module, you'll find that you have notes and videos and PowerPoints and all of those things. It's very helpful that you print those out or have them next to you while you're taking the quizzes and the discussions. Both of those things will be done at home, not in class. So especially if you miss the week's class, you need to go and get the notes and things from that section. But I will give you printed out notes when you come to class or anything that you need in class. So, if you're missing class, you need to get all of your information from Blackboard. You never have to email me and ask me what we did in class. You should know from the course calendar. Please make sure that you buy or rent the textbook for this course. Do not get the digital version. Get only the printed version. I sent you an email this week about that, and all that information is on the syllabus as well. But it's very important that you have the textbook. Everything that you'll do in the class comes straight from the text and the notes that we have. Please make sure that you're familiar with the plagiarism guide for CVCC English Department. Anything that you submit through Blackboard or Turnitin.com should not be plagiarized in any form, whether it's intentional or unintentional, from another person in the class. We do not work together in college. We do not submit group assignments in this class, so everything needs to be done on your own, and you will receive an F if you don't. Please be aware that you need to have an account with both Remind and Turnitin before Friday. Our class login info is on the syllabus, the course calendar, assignment checklist, and we will also go over this in class. You will have 3 exams in this course. Those exams will only cover the material that is discussed in the works that we've gone over, and all of the exams are given to you at the beginning of the course, so you know all the questions. These are written exams, and you will submit them through Turnitin.com. We will go over more of that this week as well. You will also write a research paper. So that's going to be closer to the end of the semester. So we will wait to go over more of that closer to time. If you have any questions, you should email me, okay? I can't help you at the end of the semester when your grades are due. There are no extra credit opportunities. I will not provide additional assignments or extend due dates or let you retake a test or et cetera, et cetera. All right, we are all adults. taking this class. You signed up. I'm giving you this complete video to show you what this course expects early before the class even begins, so you know if you can handle it or not. So what you're saying by showing up to class is that you know what the deal is and you can handle it. So please make sure that you understand your responsibility in this class is to know and learn and understand everything that we do. If you feel like you're deficient in one of those areas, it's your responsibility to ask for help to me, the tutoring center, or the tutor.com services that the college provides. You will also need to get in touch with the Sense team, and they can help you figure out some resources for you to get through this course. Please note that this is a literature-based course. You will have to read these works. This is a 200 level class. It is tough, but you're taking it in person where I have a very high passage rate. So we will go through these things together, but you still have to read them and you still have to understand them and know what they're about. So please make sure that you're following along your course calendar and knowing what you need to do. All right, so now you need to go and complete discussion 1. There is a quick link right here to discussion 1, or you can find the discussions in the discussion tab over here. And you do not need this, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Here's the syllabus again, course schedule, and assignment checklist. Again, I will print these off and give these to you in class. If you want to get 10 extra credit points on exam 1, you will need to take a selfie with your printed out syllabus, course calendar, and assignment checklist all fanned out so I can see each one, and email it to me by Sunday, August 28th by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will not take late submissions. Other things that you can find in this course, again, first, let's stop and go to discussion 1. Just click on this quick link, and then you go to create thread, and it will open up the discussion. Basically, these are all the things that we just went over. However, you need to read this again and make sure you understand each one. For response to this discussion, you will type, "I understand the expectations set forth in the syllabus, schedule, and the statements above." Okay, and then you will include a 100-word discussion to give us an idea of who you are. You could include your hobbies when you graduated high school, if you have kids, your anxieties about taking this course, or what you plan to do in the future. This part is up to you, but try not to give too many personal details. If you'd like to include your pirate mail email to find study partners or ask questions, that's up to you as well. Okay, so you can start by saying, "My name is," and then you can finish this discussion. Please notice at the bottom of the box, it gives you a word calculator. This will calculate all of your words that total in this box. This blog should be, or discussion should be 100 words, which means this should be 100 words or more. Please do not give me 99 because you will not get full credit, okay? For the subject, you can just put D1 or whatever you want to right there, and then you will click the submit button at the bottom. Obviously, I'm not going to submit because I'm not a student in the class, so I'm going to click cancel. You can also find the discussions on the discussion tab. You just click on the blue button there and then create thread. The same process works there. Okay. Also, things you will find are the instructor info. Here's the login requirements and information. Here's my information and how to get in touch with me. You will see some course documents. Here's the tutoring services button. That is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week tutoring service to help you. So please make sure if you need help that you're using that. Here are all of your tests. Each test for all 3 of them. When you open them up, you will see these. I will also print them out and give them to you in class. Here's your research paper, all of your research paper material, videos, submission links, etc. Each week that you have, you will find your reading assignments. Here's extra PowerPoints and things if you are not present in class. Otherwise, I will give all of these things to you. Also, for each week, you will find your quizzes in the modules. If you do not have your textbook yet, or if it's like coming to you and you don't have it for the first week of class, here is a PDF of Tartuffe in case you don't have your book that you might need to use. Okay, so you'll see those in each of those weeks. You'll see the quiz and the notes and the readings and all of those things go with it. So basically, that is a roundabout introduction to the course. If you have questions, please, please, please let me know. Don't wait on until class day to find out that this is not the class for you. Get in touch with your advisor if you think you need to switch or whatever. Okay, so can't wait to meet you guys. See you this week.